Hi kids, I am Teacher Chris, your mathematics teacher. Before we proceed to our topic today, I will give you a simple problem that you are going to solve. The problem is, John ate 1 out of 4 equal parts of a pizza. What fraction of the pizza did John eat? Again, John ate 1 out of 4 equal parts of a pizza. What fraction of the pizza did John eat? Adunay usa ka whole nga pizza. Pila ganito ka equal parts ang aduna sa pizza? Very good. 4 equal parts. Karon, gikaon ni John ang usa ka parte sa pizza. The question is, what fraction of the pizza did John eat? I will give you 10 seconds to answer. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 1/4. Sir, nganong 1/4 man? Pila man ka parte sa 4 equal parts nga anaa sa pizza ang gikaon ni John? Pila? 1. Very good. So, 1. Pila ganito ka equal parts tanan ang aduna sa pizza? 4. Okay, very good. So that is why the answer is 1/4. Ang numero nga aduna sa ibabaw is what we called the numerator. And ang numero nga aduna sa ubos is what we called the denominator. Katong 1 nga anaa sa ibabaw, maoto ang parte nga gikaon ni John. Kaning 4 nga aduna sa ubos, mauni ang pila tanan ka equal parts ang anaa sa pizza. Based on the given simple problem, kunya ato naman po siya natubagan. Now, I will ask you a question. What is a fraction? A fraction is written as 2 numbers separated by a line. The number nga anaa sa ibabaw, gitawag na siya og numerator. It tells how many parts are taken. Unya ang number nga anaa sa ubos, gitawag na siya og denominator. It tells how many equal parts of the whole. And now, these are the types of fractions. Certainly, in mathematics, there are 3 major types of fractions based on their numerator and denominator. The first type of fraction is proper fraction. Ang numerator niya smaller than the denominator. Okay, ang iyang numerator mas gamay kaysa denominator. Okay, example ana niya is 2/5. Okay, 2/5. As you can see, ang ato ang numerator diraa mao ang 2, which is smaller than the denominator, which is the number 5. Next type of fraction is improper fractions. Ang improper fractions, it is where a numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, kung ang proper fraction, smaller ang iyang numerator than the denominator, well, ang improper fraction, mas dako ang iyang numerator kaysa denominator. Okay, ang example na niya is 7/3. Okay, as you can see, ang ato ang numerator dira which is 7 dako, mas dako kaysa denominator nga 3. The third type of fractions is mixed fractions. A mixed fraction combines a whole number with a proper fraction. It's essentially an improper fraction expressed in a more intuitive form. Okay, for example, ana, 2 and 3/4. Kung sa ganito yung meaning sa mixed fractions, a mixed fraction combines a whole number with a proper fraction. Okay, asa man ang ato ang whole number, ana? Okay, very good. Kanang number 2. That is our whole number. Nagingon diri, with a proper fraction man. Asa man ang ato ang proper fraction, ana? Okay, very good. Kanang 3/4. Kung sa itong proper fraction, ang iyahang numerator smaller than the denominator. As you can see, 3 is smaller than 4, which is our denominator. Okay, so 2 and 3/4 is the example of mixed fractions. Again, ayaw libog-libuga inyong una-una. Mixed fraction combines a whole number, aduna siya whole number nga giubanan og proper fraction. Another type of fractions is like fractions. Unsa man ang like fractions? From the word like. Same, pariha. Okay, ayo libog-libuga inyong una-una. Makadungugan imong like fractions, meaning ana pariha ang ilahang denominators. For example, we have 1/2, 3/2, 5/2, 7/2. Okay. As you can see, pariha silang denominator, which is 2. Another type of fractions is unlike fractions. From the word unlike. Unsa man ang unlike? Managlahi, dili pariha. Okay? So, different denominators. Managlahi ang ilahang denominators. For example, 1/2, 2/3, 4/5, 5/7. Okay, as you can see sa ilang denominators, no, managlahi, dili pariha. The last type of fraction is equivalent fractions. Unsa man ang equivalent fractions? From the word equivalent. Equal. These are fractions that represent the same value but may have a different forms. Same kuno og value pero managlahi og porma. Okay, for example, 1/2 and 2/4. 1/2. Dayon, 2/4. Ato nang isimplify ang 2/4 mahimong 1/2. So meaning ana 1/2 equals 1/2. So, ang 1/2 ug ang 2/4 di ay same ang ilahang value but different ang ilahang forms. So, that will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Stay tuned for another episode.